Good day, I'm Carrie-Ann Smith and this is your JIS news for Monday, January 27. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller is now in Havana to discuss bilateral, regional and international issues with Cuban President Raul Castro. The Prime Minister is in the Spanish-speaking country for a 4-day official visit on the invitation of Mr. Castro. The leaders will also discuss the upcoming 5th CARICOM-Cuba summit, which takes place later this year. Mrs. Simpson Miller is also scheduled to address the opening session of the second summit of the Community of Latin American and Caribbean States CELAC on January 28. Heads of state and foreign ministers from all 33 member nations will explore issues including intra-regional trade, sustainable development, science and technology, climate change, natural disasters, transportation and social development. In a short address to journalists shortly after her landing, Mrs. Simpson Miller said she was pleased to be in the Republic and look forward to the conference and the fruitful discussions with President Castro. Production is already increasing at the Yallas Agro Park in Western St. Thomas as farmers benefit from the installation of a $395 million irrigation system.
In addition to this irrigation facility, the government, with the support of the Inter-American Development Bank, the IDB, through the Agricultural Competitiveness Program, will invest another $46 million to install farm roads and drainage and to construct a packaging house right here in Yallas.
The system, which was commissioned last Thursday, is part of the broader infrastructural development of agri-parks across the island to facilitate increased production.
This system will no doubt add value to and improve the lives of the beneficiaries. I am also sure that by extension, it will bring improvements to the communities in and around Yallas.
The project is a component of the National Irrigation Development Program, which is funded and supported by the Inter-American Development Bank. Government has received $4.8 billion in grant funding to further expand training and renewable energy projects at Wigton Wind Farm in Manchester. The grant, which was provided by the United Kingdom, will be used to purchase a wind turbine and install over 40 solar panels on the roof of the training lab at the facility. At the signing ceremony last Thursday, Energy Minister Philip Paulwell said the project would boost Jamaica's renewable energy program.
As we establish these facilities, as we focus on renewables, that we have the appropriate facilities that can train our people to enable us to better utilize the high technology that we are being exposed to and that we have to operate.
He said in March of this year, Wigton would begin construction on the plant to provide another 24 megawatts of wind capacity. $5 million will be immediately provided by the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development to help fund relief efforts in the rain-affected areas of St. Mary. The Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management will be in charge of managing the funds. Following a tour of the affected areas last Thursday, Portfolio Minister Noel R. Scott said the immediate concern was providing relief to residents. He, however, said long-term issues such as ensuring proper building practices also had to be addressed.
I want your team to prioritize and to see what small, but it can begin, and certainly is a start, and we can discuss further how we can deal with those problems.
Industry, Investment and Commerce Minister Anthony Hilton is hailing the recently held 2-day Logistics Hub Symposium as a success. Minister Hilton says stakeholders, some of whom were skeptics, were able to constructively discuss how best to develop the transformative project.
I'm very pleased. It was worth the effort. We had unanimous decision and feeling and view that this can happen, it should happen, and we can make it happen.
More than 800 persons from the private and public sector attended the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce Logistics Hub Symposium. And finally, Jamaicans at home and abroad are being called on to support the 18th staging of the annual Jamaica Jazz and Blues Festival. Director of Tourism John Lynch says the Jamaica Tourist Board-sponsored festival has become a staple on the island's entertainment calendar.
Jamaica is the entertainment mecca of the Caribbean, with the most active events calendar in the region.
Multiple Grammy Award winner Tony Braxton will headline this year's festival, scheduled for January 30 to February 1 at the Trelawney Multipurpose Stadium. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Carrie-Ann Smith. Thanks for watching.